Mix exercise 11, question number 1. A particle P moves in a horizontal straight line. Particle P moves on a line at time t seconds. The velocity v of P is given by, so v equal 15 minus 3t. So this is given by the value of t when P is instantaneously at rest. So we need to find t when v equal 0. So 15 minus 3t equals 0. Then 3t equal 15. T equal 5 seconds. Part B is we need to find the distance when t equals 0 or t equal 5. So we need to find the distance. So this is a velocity equation. We need to find displacement. We have to integrate this one. So I'll write here. So S equal integrate 15 minus 3t times dt. So this is 15t minus 3t square over 2 plus c. We know that when t equals 0, s equal 0. So 0 equal 15t minus 3 over t square. This is 0. This is 0 and this is 0 and plus c. So c equal 0. S equal 15 minus 3 over 2 t square. So when t equal 5, so s t equal 5 is 15 times 5 minus 3 over 2 times 5 square. So that is 37.5 meter. So this distance travel is 37.5 meter. Now this sum seems to be fine. The answer is correct. Everything is fine. But there's a small issue with this calculation. So when t equals 0, s equals 0. Can you see this assumption anywhere when t equals 0, s equals 0? Well, assume we can start this particle monitoring. This is origin. So when t equals 0, this is the origin. We can start from here. So basically, I'll draw like this. Or we don't know that this particle can start sometime when origin is here. The monitoring point is here. When t equals 0, assume this is the positive side and this distance is 10 meter. So then this is going to be minus 10. When t equals 0, s can be minus 10. Basically, when a particle is moving along the origin, you can start, if this is side is positive, and you can start from negative side to monitor or any place, or positive side any place. Usually we are monitoring from origin and t equals 0. Sometimes you may start from here like this, t equals 0 minus 10. The displacement is minus 10. Then I can't assume that when t equals 0, s equals 0. We don't know that. And best option is we can work like this. when t equals 0, when t equals 0, s is alpha. We'll take distance, unknown, constant. So then we will get the equation like this. C equal s equal 15t minus 3t square divided by c. So when t equals alpha. So alpha equals 0 minus 0 plus c. Now the equation is s equal 15t minus 3t square plus c is alpha now. So when this is when t equals 0. So this is not when t equals 0. So I'll substitute the equation 15 minus 3t square plus alpha. Now when t equal 5, t equal 5 we will get s equal 15 times 5 minus 3 over 2 5 square plus alpha. I just put this one. This is going to be 37.5 plus alpha. Now this is the first equation. When t equals 0, s equal alpha. And let's say this is 1, yes, and this is 2. So this is t equals 0 and t equal 5. So I will put this is S0 and S5 distance. Then we need to find during this interval the travel distance. It means S5 minus S0. This is the distance. So this is going to be 37.5 plus minus alpha. So alpha to cancel out the travel distance. Travel distance equal 37.5 meter. Now we have a short ways to do this one. To avoid this hassle, we can simply put here this is 0 to 5 definite integral. So we can find now there is no generation of constant. We avoid the constant, just simple difference when we integrate. When I work exercise 11D part C, exercise 11D part C. So I assume t equals 0, s equals 0 because when it take different it is cancel out, but this is the best way to work in out. So this is the short technique. When we get the difference, that constant will not generate. So I'll work that way with now s equal. So I integrate like this, and this is the integral 0 to 5. So s equal 15 times 5 minus 3 5 square over 2 minus 15 times 0 minus 3 0 square over 2. So this is 15 times 5 minus 3 times 5 square over 2 minus 0, which is this is the answer 37.5 meter. Question number 2. A particle P moves along the x-axis so that the displacement of P from O is x meter. When O origin particle P is moving x meter. Okay. So V is given 60 plus half a t cube. So part A is we want to find the acceleration. So A is dv over dt. We have to differentiate velocity. So A equal uh, d over dt. So what is V is 60 plus half a t cube. So we'll differentiate. This is going to be 6 and this is half a times 3 square. So this is 6 plus 3 over 2 t square. Now we want to find when t equal 4 the acceleration. So A equal 6 plus 3 over 2 4 square. So 6 plus 3 over 2 times 16, this is 8. So 6 plus 24, that is going to be 30 ms minus 2. Now next one is distance displacement. Find the distance actually. So we need to uh, integrate this one to get the displacement equation. S, when we integrate, we will get, so integrate 60 plus half a t cube dt. So this is 60 square over 2 plus half a t over 4 plus c. So 3t square plus t4 over 8 plus c. Now the data given when t equals 0, s equal x value is minus 5, which is s equal minus 5 in here. So s equal, so we'll apply when t equals 0. Uh, this is 0 minus 5 equals 0 plus 0 plus c. So c value equal minus 5. We'll rewrite the equation now. S equal 3t square plus t4 over 8 minus 5. Uh, this is p particle, so this is in this direction. And when t equals 0, so we'll measure this is positive, and somewhere here from this point, somewhere here that t equals 0 the displacement. Now when t equal 4, somewhere here, so then we need to find this OP distance. When t equal 4, we need to find s. So s equal 3 times 4 square plus 4 to the power 4, 8 minus 5. So this value is going to be 75 meters. If I add one more question to here, what is the difference between travel distance t 0 greater than t greater than 4? Travel distance is, this is 5 meter and this is 75 meter. So the travel distance is 80 meter. 70 minus 5 when you try to find the difference. Question number 3. A particle P is moving in a straight line from point A is, yeah, when t equals 0, uh, v equal 8 ms minus 1, and the acceleration is given 2 minus 2t ms minus 2. So this distance is 30 meter. This is AB distance 30 meter. Find the expression in terms of t displacement. of P from A at time t equals second. Uh, we'll find the particle for the displacement equation. Now A is given 2 minus 2t, that is acceleration. We need to find first of all acceleration, from acceleration to velocity, velocity displacement. So integration is the process. A equal v dt, then v, sorry, v equal a dt. Now a value is 2 minus 2t dt. This is going to be 2t minus 2t square plus 2 plus c. And at t equals 0, v equal 8 at point 8. So we'll substitute the details. 8 equals 0 minus 0 plus c. So this will improve c equal 8. So part A, the displacement equation is, okay, now that is the velocity. The velocity is 2t minus t square plus 8. Now displacement we want to find displacement integrators of dt. So is equal 2t minus t square plus 8 dt. So this is 2t square over 2 t cube over 3 plus 8t plus d. And we know that monitoring impedance is here. So t equals 0, s equal 0. So then and 0 equals 0 minus 0 plus 0 d. So d is 0. So s equal t square minus t cube divided by 3 plus 8d. Now part B, we want to show that this P particle does not reach 30 kilometers. To go to B, the distance is 30 kilometer. We want to show that this particle does not reach B. So it means the maximum distance we can find by differentiating this one. The requirement is maximum distance should be less than 30. If it is equal to 30 or greater than 30, it means that this distance. We'll differentiate this one, ds over dt. We want to find ds over dt, then we want to make it equal to 0, and then we want to find the max. So ds over dt mean, in other way, what is this? We have the value of this one, 2t square plus 8. So then when we make ds over dt to 0, mean we are making in other way v equal to 0. So then 2t square minus plus 8 equal 0. It means t square minus 2t minus 8 equals 0. I multiply by minus, and I can factorize. This is t plus 2 t minus 4 equals 0. So t equal minus 2 or t equal 4. But t is greater than or equal to 0, hence t should be 4. So when t equal 4, s is, when t equal 4, s is 4 square minus 4 cube over 3 plus 8, 4. So this answer we will get 26 2 over 3. Now this is less than 30. Hence P does not reach B. Part C, find the value t when P returns to A. When P returns to A, basically S equal 0. So we need to find the value, the time when s equals 0. When s equals 0, t square minus t cube plus 8t equals 0. This is t equals 0. When I take t out, this is minus t out. This is going to be t square minus 3t minus 24 equals 0. Now from here we get t equals 0, or t square minus 3t minus 24 equal 0. Now we need to solve this one. T equal minus b minus 3 plus or minus b square minus 3 square minus 4 times a is 1, c is minus 24 over 2 times a is 1. So t, we will give two answers, plus or minus 105 over 2. So this is going to be negative answer minus. So since t greater than 0, t equal 3 plus 105 plus 2. So this is the positive answer, that is 6.62. So t equal 0 is equal 0, and t equal 6.62, again is equal 0. Let's go half of the way, it come back. Half of the way means it is 26 2 over 3. So one side distance is 26 2 over 3. Then we want to find the part D, find the distance traveled by. So distance traveled by 2 times max distance. This is the distance traveled between t equals 0 and t equals 6.62, equal 2 times 26 2 over 3. This is 160 out of 3, that is 59, 1 out of 3 meter. So this has to be 53, 153 tiny. Yes. Question number 4. A particle start from O origin at rest. From rest, so v equals 0, t equals 0, and this is the particle p on this direction. And the first question is acceleration is given 8 minus 2t square. Find the greatest speed of the particle in the direction of OP. So greatest speed mean uh, Vt graph, maybe any graph Vt. So we want to find the maximum minimax. Basically, we want to find dv over dt, and then we want to make dv over dt equal to 0. But we know dv over dt is what? Acceleration. So we so we want to make acceleration into 0 simply. So then 8 minus 2t is square equal. So dv over dt is 8 minus 2t square, which is the acceleration. So dv over dt equal 0, that is 8 minus 2t square is 0. It means t square minus 4 is 0. T minus 2, t plus 2, difference of 2 squares. Uh, t equal to or t equal minus 2, t greater than or equal 0, hence t equal 2. So maximum distance is at when t equal maximum velocity. Now to find the velocity, I need to integrate the acceleration. So v equal 8 minus 2t square dt. So v equal 8t minus 2t cube over 3 plus c. When t equals 0, v equals 0. When t equals 0, v equals 0. 0, 0 minus 0 plus c. So c equal 0. So v equal 8t minus 2t cube over 3. Now when t equal to v equal 8 to minus 2 cube over 3. So the maximum v 16 minus 16 over 3, that is 32 over 3. M is minus 1. 10 2 over 3. Part B, we need to calculate the distance of the first 2 seconds. Now I want to find the displacement is mean when we integrate the velocity. So V is, we found out 8t minus 2 over 3t cube. Now this is dt. So 8t square over 2 minus 2t 4 over 3 4 3 times 4 plus this is going to be d. So we know when t equals 0, s equals 0 start from origin, then 0 equal 0 minus 0 plus d, d equals 0. So from here we will get s equal 8t, 8 divided by 2, 4t square minus 1 over 64. Yes, that's all. Now we want to calculate when first 2 seconds. When t equal to s is 4, 2 square minus 1 over 6, 2 to the power 4 minus 1 over 6, 16. So this is going to be 40 over 3. This is 13 1 over third meter. Question number 5. A particle P passes through a point O. This is the point O. The particle P moves on this direction in a straight line. The displacement is from P. Okay, assume particle is in here. P. So displacement is after t second is given by this equation, s equal minus t cube plus 11t square minus 24t. Find the expression of the velocity. So A we want to find, part A we want to find the velocity. So V equal, we want to differentiate the displacement equation. So d over dt, uh, that is minus t cube 11t square minus 24t. So when you differentiate this one, we will get minus 3t square plus 22t minus 24. So this is the velocity equation. So part B, we want to calculate the t when p instantaneously at rest or a sudden rest. So when v equals 0, we want to find t. So uh, minus 3t square plus 22t minus 24 equals 0. It means 3t square minus 20t plus 24 equals 0. This is 3t minus 4 and t minus 6 equal 0. So t equal 4 over 3, t equal 6. So there are two occasions that this will become a sudden rest. Our next question is part C. We want to find the t when a equal 0 acceleration. Now we want to, from here we want to take the acceleration equation. Acceleration is dv over dt. So a equal d over dt. So I have to uh, differentiate this one. 22t minus 24. So a is going to be minus 60 plus 22. Now when a equals 0, minus 60 plus 22 equals 0, t equal 22 divided by 6, which is 11 over 3 second. Uh, then A, B, C, D, we need to sketch the velocity time graph. So we want, this is a quadratic equation, and this, it has a maximum, and when t equals 0, we get this is t. When t equals 0, v equal minus 24. So this kind of graph, we found out those two values. This is 4 by 3 and this is 6, and this is the maximum value 11 by 3 time, and v, this is minus 24. This is 6, not 16. And the next part is calculate the value between 6, which is so greater than 16. The particle for which time frame the particle has velocity more than 16. So this is up to here somewhere, up to minus 16. So in here also greater than 16 in this time from here to here. Also when somewhere here positive 16, so then from here to here the velocity is more than 16. So this two time is more than, in between those two times we have to solve two equation. S is for two v values, one is plus 16 and other one is minus 16. So minus 3t plus 22t minus 24 equals 16. So when we simplify this one, we will get 3t square. So I'll multiply by minus and bring this one here. 22t plus 40 equal 0. Then 3t minus 10 times t minus 4 equals 0. T equal 10 by 3 and t equal 4. So in between here to here, we can see that this is 10 by 3 greater than or equal to t equal 4. So during this time, it is greater than uh, 0 greater 10 divided by 3 greater than equal. So this is one interval. The other one is when minus 3t minus 22 minus 24 equal minus 16. Then we will get 3t square minus 22 t plus 8 equals 0. Then from the t equal minus 22 plus or minus b square minus 22 square minus 4ac over 2 3. Then we will get 2t values. One is 0.384 and 6.95495, and so this is more than 6. We don't need to discuss this one. Then from 0 to, so this is the interval 0 greater than t greater than 0.384. So in this interval, it is greater than. So the two intervals are 0 greater than t greater than 0.384 and 10 divided by 3 t greater than or 4. Question number 6. Body move in a straight line as usual. Wherever it is start monitoring when t after t times the particle somewhere assume, and the velocity is v. The relationship is v equal 3t square minus 11t plus 10. Now the first question is find t. We want to find the t. The instantaneous velocity is 0. We want to find t when v equals 0. So 3t square minus 11t plus 10 equals 0. So 3t minus 5 and t minus 2 equals 0. T equal 5 by 3 or t equal 2. Then body is at rest, instant rest at 5 over 3 times and t equal 2. Part B, we need to find the acceleration when t equal 4. We have the v. So acceleration means dv over dt. d over dt, 3t square minus 11t plus 10. So a equal, when you differentiate this one, dv over dt is 6t minus 11. So a equal 6t minus 11 when t equal 4. A equal 6 times 4 minus 11, that is 10 minus 11, that is minus 1. ms minus 2. I think 6 times 4 is not 10, 6 times 4 is 24, and this is going to be 13 ms minus 2. Part C, we need to find the travel distance, total distance traveled between 0 greater than t greater than 4. Now assume it start somewhere here, particle. So we know that when t equal 5 by 3 and t equal to, it is come to instantaneous rest. So particle assume go here and t equal 5 by 5 by 2, it will change the direction. So that's why it come to instantaneous. And then up to here t equal 2. Then again it change the direction, and somewhere it will come to t equal. Oh, this is my feeling. So this is what how I thought, but it is depend on the place you start. Um, so right, it has to journey from here to here. This is S1 from 5 by to S2, and from here to here S3. So we'll write S1 is displacement 0 t and 5 by 2 5 by 3, and S2 is displacement 5 by 3 t, and then 2, then S3 is displacement 2 greater than t greater than 10, sorry 4. Now we need the equation, so we have to integrate the velocity. V is given by this one. To get the displacement, S equal V dt. So we'll put S1, total distance is S1 plus S2 plus S3. It means V dt from 0 to 5 by 3, then V dt from 5 by 3 to 2, and then 2 to 4 V dt. So this is 0 to 5 by 3. V is this one, 3t square. 3t square minus 11t plus 10 plus 5 by 3 to 3t square minus 11t plus 10. Then 2 to 4, 3t square minus 11t plus 10 dt. So this is dt plus. So then this is going to be 3t 3 over 3 minus 11t square over 2 plus 10. This is 0 to 5 by 3. So the same answer should be here. So 3 to 3 cancel out. So t cube 11 divided by 2 mean 5.5t square plus this is going to be 10t actually. 10t 10t. This is 5 by 3 to 2, and then t cube minus 5.5t plus 10t, that is again 2 to 4. So I will write 3 by 3 is 1, and 11 divided by 2 5.5. Then I will apply this one. T cube mean 5 over 3 cube minus 5.5 t square, that is 5 over 3 square plus 10 times 5 over 3 minus this all is going to be 0. This is the first one. The second one, 5 by 3 cube minus 5.5 t square, which is 5 over 3 square plus 10 5 by 3, 10 times 5 by 3, minus now this is 2 cube minus 5.5 2 square plus 10 times 2, and plus this one now First of all, 4 cube minus 5.54 plus 10 4 minus this one now, 2 2 cube minus 5.52 plus 10 times 2. So when you simplify this one, you will get 325 over 54 plus then this one. So actually we want to get the mod value of this one because it distance. So mod value, mod mean the positive value. So mod value. So this is mod. Basically you will get 325 mod plus minus 1 over 54 mod plus 10 10 mod. So this is going to be 16 meter. So we need to get the mod to get this one mod value of this one when you integrate dt mod, and this is mod value and this mod value. I rewrite this one since we need distance. So s equal, so this is mod value of, we want to integrate v dt and get the positive value, that is 5 by 3 to 0 to 5 by 3, and then again mod value, we want to integrate from 5 by 3 to 2 v dt and mod value, then add again mod value 2 to 4 v dt. So all positive values when you calculate. And the good thing is, if I ask a question like this, assume you don't get A and B, and in the exam you will get 6 body mass and all the details, and then they ask only one question: the total distance traveled by the body when body in the interval of 0 to 4. Then you have to be careful that you have to find the velocity in the instantaneous 0, and you want to get that time, and then you need to find. So that's usually that's how the exam questions are. Basically they don't, so this is guided question, find a b c, so a help to find b help to c likewise. But sometime in the exam you get question number 6 and just the part c, the total distance traveled by the, find the total distance traveled by the body in the interval of 0 to t and 4. Then you have to do all the calculation when v equals 0, this one, and then you have to work out. So that is your knowledge. Question number 7. The particle move along the positive x-axis at t equals 0 at the origin with the velocity 6 ms minus 1. After t times, the particle is here, after t time the acceleration is a. So a is given by 2t cube minus 8t t greater than or equal to 0. The first question is find the velocity. V is, when we integrate acceleration, we will get the velocity. So this is integrate 2t cube minus 8t dt. So this is 2t cube over 3 minus 8t plus c. So this is 2 over 3t cube minus 4t square plus c. And when t equals 0, v equals 6. This is a data given. 6 equals 0 minus 4 plus c. From here we know c equals 6. Now the velocity is v equal to third over t cube minus 4t square plus 6. Then part B, we need to find the displacement from the origin at t time. So displacement we will get when we integrate velocity, that is 2 over 3 t cube over t square plus 6 dt. Then this is become 2 over 3 t 4 over 4 minus 4 t cube over 3 6t plus d. We know that t equals 0. The particle is at origin, it means s equals 0. So this is going to be 0 minus 0 plus 0 d. So d equals 0. Then s equal 2 over, this is 1 over 6. 2 over 12 mean 1 over 6 t4 times this is 4 over 3 t cube plus 6t. Quick alteration, this is going to be t cube, so this is going to be t4 over 4. So this is going to be 2 over 4, which is half t4. So then this is going to be half a t4. So then this is half a t4. Then this is half a t5 over 5. Then this is going to be 1 over 10 t5. Part C, we need to find the time when the particle is at instantaneous rest. So when v equals 0, we want to find t. So this is the v, half a t4 minus 4t square plus 6 equals 0. That is multiplied by 2 for 8t square plus 12 equal 0. So this is, we can break t square minus 2 and t square plus minus 6 equals 0. T square equal to or t square equal 60 equal, I will drop the negative, so positive square root 2 or t equal positive square root 6 as t greater than or equal to 0.